Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix fail to launch game on EA app for any EA game. So if you're getting this error, fail to launch game, an error on our end caused the launch to fail. Try again a little later. So if you're getting this error while launching any EA game on EA app, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to disable the EA overlay. So what you have to do, open the EA app, go to settings, go to application tab, scroll down, then turn off in-game overlay. Click on turn off to confirm, and then you can launch the game and check if your error is fixed or not. This has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will fix the issue for you as well. If not, then fix 2 is to turn off smooth motion for NVIDIA users. What you have to do, open NVIDIA app, go to graphics settings, and then select the game in which you are having the issue. For example, Battlefield 2042. In my case, I have selected this one, and you have to turn off this smooth motion. If it is turned on, then you have to turn off smooth motion, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If you are AMD user, then turn off anti-lag. So launch the AMD Radeon software and select settings, select graphics, and then select gaming, and then turn off Radeon anti-lag, and then you can launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are a NVIDIA user, go to the NVIDIA website. If you are AMD user, then go to the AMD website. If you are Intel user, then go to the Intel website. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this website. I have provided all these links in my video description. And once you are on the NVIDIA website, select your version of graphic card driver from here. Select the Windows operating system, then click on find, scroll down. Now you have to download this GeForce Game Ready driver. Whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. Now once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to double click it and launch it. Then you will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option. Click on this custom advanced option, then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So tick mark this perform a clean installation box, and then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC, and then you can launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you were able to easily fix fail to launch game. An error on our end caused the launch to fail. Try again a little later while launching any game on EA app. So that's all for this video.